Welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making rainbow crepe cake. I hope you like pancakes. I do. It's actually really easy. You start by making your crepe mixture with 100 grams of flour, 300 grams of milk and 2 eggs. Whisk them together to get rid of any lumps. And fry. One by one. You're going to need a lot of crepes for this recipe. Maybe if you've got 2 frying pans, you could do 2 at a time. Right, now for the buttercream icing. Blend up 200 grams of butter and add 400 grams of icing sugar a bit at a time. Once that's ready, divide it into 3 bowls and add some food colour, starting with pink. Then blue. Then purple. Lovely pastel colours. Use a little buttercream icing to stick the first pancake onto the plate and then spread the buttercream icing on top. We're starting with purple. A few layers of that. And then blue. We want about 4 layers of each colour. Going for white now? You see we kept a bit of icing aside, which we didn't add any food colour to. Now pink. Pressing down each layer with your hands. Now a little bit of each colour on the top. Pink in the middle. Then white. Then blue. And finally, purple. Spread it around the sides. And now let's tidy it up with a final layer which we're going to pipe on, starting with pink around the edges and then on the top. Going through each colour one at a time. Last colour going on there. Use a spinning platform to make it easier. And then smooth. Decorate with marshmallows. And some sprinkles. And it's ready. Let's slice it up. And look at that beautiful pastel rainbow effect. Gorgeous!